The ADOC extension identifies an AsciiDoc document file containing lightweight markup text for generating professional documentation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, convert, or publish these markup documentation files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading ADOC file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. ADOC files are AsciiDoc format documents containing lightweight text, markup for producing technical documentation, books, articles, and web content. They support headings lists, tables, code blocks, cross-references, and multimedia embedding with a readable plain text authoring experience. AsciiDoc ADOC files use a plain text markup syntax with sorters for headings, for lists, for attributes, and delimited blocks for code listings, admonitions, and sidebars. They support includes conditional processing and bibliography management for complex document production. This proprietary format is best opened by AsciiDoctor from AsciiDoctor project for the ADOC type. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows allows basic viewing, but advanced editing options need the appropriate document application. To start the process, right-click your ADOC file and select Open With. If you have AsciiDoctor installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. If the ADOC file won't open, don't panic. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, editing documents. Open ADOC files in any text editor or use dedicated AsciiDoc editors such as AsciidocFX or Visual Studio Code with the AsciiDoc extension for live preview syntax, highlighting and document structure navigation during authoring. Next, converting to HTML or PDF. Install AsciiDoctor and run AsciiDoctor document.adoc to generate HTML output. For PDF generation, use AsciiDoctor PDF document.adoc. Both tools process AsciiDoc markup and produce professionally formatted output, with table of contents, cross-references, and syntax highlighted code. Finally, publishing documentation. Use AsciiDoc for technical documentation, including API references, user guides, and software manuals. Integrate ADOC files into CI/CD pipelines with AsciiDoctor for automated documentation builds. Host generated HTML on documentation platforms like Read the Docs or GitHub pages. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.